Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Blueberry funded with MT5 in 2026 on your mobile. So first of all, you need to take your phone and you need to install the MetaTrader 5 application from Google Play Store or App Store. After doing this, in order to connect your Blueberry funded account with it, you will basically need the correct login details and the correct MT5 server. So when you first of all purchase your Blueberry funded account, you need to go to its dashboard. There you will find the login credentials for your MT5 account. So you are going to see the server name, the MT5 login ID and the password. Without the correct server, your account will not be connected. So make sure that in your Blueberry funded dashboard, you see and check all of the correct credentials. Now, once you have those, you need to simply open your MT5 application. Over here, you are going to see this type of search bar on the top. When you tap on it, you just have to simply look for that particular server or the broker from Blueberry funded, which you received in your login credentials. For example, let's say if I search for Blueberry, you are going to basically find the Blueberry server over here. So among these server, whichever server you are assigned, you just have to simply tap on that. Afterwards, you need to provide your login ID, then your login password. Afterwards, simply click on the option of login, and this way you will be able to basically log in into your Blueberry funded account in your MT5 application. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.